Greetings from Snake Mountain Boat Works on Thursday, September 14, 2022. Here's an update on Eagle. And I'll just hand it off to Rick to talk us through what appears to me to be a rather major set of milestones that have been blown through. Rick, take over.
Yeah, well, I started out by putting 5 coats of CPES on there. And seal it up really good. And as you can see, it's got the primer now, and that's the Pettit.
It's the Pettit Tie Coat Primer, yeah.
Primer, yeah. And I've already put 5 coats of that on everywhere else, and then I had to move these stands over each of the stands over so I could complete these areas. And I've got 4 coats on it right now, and I've got 1 more to go. And then we'll be ready for bottom paint tomorrow.
That's right. And before you started painting, if I remember, you caulked all the seams with ThixoFlex?
Yeah, ThixoFlex, yeah.
Well, she sure looks better than she did when she came in here. And I'll just sort of walk along here so you can enjoy the view. It's an entirely new bottom, and about at least half of the frames have been replaced as well. And I think Rick's just done a spectacular job. And once has applied the Pettit anti-foul to the bottom, the copper bronze, we'll be able to put her down on dollies, put her engine back in, make a decision on what we're going to do, if anything, with the black topsides. They're a little cracked and crazed in places. We'd really like not to start tearing into that if we don't have to. So Rick will keep working, and I think he's kind of enjoying being freed up from underneath the Eagle.
Stand upright.
You can stand upright. There you go. Well, that's our update on Thursday, September 14, 2023. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boat Works.